In this tutorial, we will cover formula calculation options in Excel. Please open File 10, Formula Calculation Options. By default, Excel calculates all formulas in every cell simultaneously when they're entered in a worksheet. But you can change the calculation options so that the formulas only calculate when you direct it to. If you have a large sheet of data and multiple formulas trying to all calculate at once, your spreadsheet can freeze up and take a while for all the calculations to update. If that's the case, you might want to consider updating this setting. On your ribbon, make sure that you're on the Formulas tab, and then look on the right-hand side for the Calculations group. In the Calculations group, there's this nice big button called Calculation Options. Click on Calculation Options and notice it's already set to Automatic. This is what it is by default. It means that values are automatically recalculated whenever a change occurs anywhere in the worksheet. Automatic, except for data tables, means that the workbook is automatically updated with any changes, but you have to manually go in and update data tables by yourself. Manual means that the workbook is only updated when directed by the user, or in most cases just focuses on the cell that you're working in right now. Go ahead and change that to manual. Go and click on cell D4. Go and click on cell D9, and you'll see that that's a sum of D4 to D8. Click in cell D4, and in D4, type in 6,520 and press your Enter key. You will notice that cell D9 and cell E4 do not change because they have not been updated. Because they do not update because we set it to manual. In cell D5, go ahead and type in 37,455 and hit Enter. And as you can see, it only updates the cell that you're currently in. When you're ready to recalculate the entire sheet, there are two ways to do that. Go back on the ribbon on the right-hand side of the Formulas tab in the Calculations group. And to the right of Calculation Options, there's two buttons. There's Calculate Now, which is the F9 key, which calculates the entire worksheet that you're on right now. And then there's Calculate Sheet, which is the Shift F9, which only calculates the cell, which only calculates the sheet that you're on. Go ahead and click on Calculate Now, and you'll see that that updates cell E4, D9, and E9 all at the same time. You can also simply press the F9 key or save the workbook to recalculate everything in the workbook. But this will give you some ways to control how Excel calculates information on your worksheet or in your workbook.